Hi there, I'm John from CNCKing.com, and today we make some MDF cabinetry fronts. What you see here is 5/8 MDF, and the nice thing about this material is the paint really loves it, and it's very easy to seal with primer. So you put a thick layer of primer over it after you break the edges with a little bit of sanding, and then after that you go with your paint and you end up with really nice cabinetry fronts. Now these are for drawers and for doors, and they're all made to spec. So what the customer did is they measured out, their drawers and their other stuff in the kitchen, and then what we do here is we cut it at CNCKing.com and ship it right to them. Now you probably noticed in the video that each one of these being cut one at a time. That's a very important feature because it means that you can have a whole bunch of different drawers, everything, they're completely different sizes, and it doesn't really affect production wise because the machine just adjusts to it. And the easiest way for you to draw these out, honestly, is just get a piece of paper, measure out the dimensions that you need it to be, and based on those dimensions we make the digital file, and then we get you to approve the digital file, and then that digital file is actually what we use to go into full-on production for the drawers. Most kitchen cabinetry is rectangular based. So it just happens to be that everything here is sort of rectangles, different sizes, different shapes. Now, if you had something that was a bit more unique, we could totally cut that out for you just as well. It doesn't have to be rectangle, it doesn't have to be squares. It can be some even odd shapes, whatever you can imagine, we can cut it with the CNC router. Additionally, if it comes to volume production, we can also send it to you by freight. So that's something to keep in mind. We did do a job where we had to send some stuff to New York City, and we had to end up creating a custom crate for it because it was just so big and heavy. It was around 1,600 pounds if I remember correctly, and it was just huge forms. So if you're looking for custom shapes out of MDF, contact me at CNCRI.com. We'll make it for you and ship it right to your door.